ओके
ओके,
ओके।
हाँ, द रिकॉर्डिंग इज स्टार्टेड। सिर्फ प्रियंका, कल एक प्रॉब्लम आई थी, मुझे कल प्रियंका चुप ने भी बोला था कल का लेक्चर हमको रिकॉर्ड करना है, बट देन इट
हाँ
डिडंट
हाँ हाँ।
हैपन, आई डोंट नो समहाउ। तो आप लोग भी एक जन रिकॉर्ड कर लो वहां से, ठीक है? तो अगर
सर एक्चुअली क्या प्रॉब्लम रहता है ना, जो
हाँ,
होस्ट रहता है ना वो ही रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकता है।
नहीं कल प्रियंका, अच्छा हाँ, प्रियंका ने भी कहा, बट आई ऑल्सो रिकॉर्डेड साइमल्टेनियसली।
तो वो आपको को होस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा। आप में ऑप्शन आ रहा है क्या को होस्ट का?
एक सेकंड में,
मेरे नाम के आगे जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स में को होस्ट आ रहा है क्या ऑप्शन?
नहीं आप नहीं होंगे ना co-host, तो आप होंगे नहीं अभी तक, मुझे बनाना पड़ेगा। तो हाउ डू वी मेक दैट,
नहीं
हाउ
नहीं
डू
नहीं,
मेक अ
देखो
co-host?
पार्टिसिपेंट्स में जाके ना मेरे नाम के आगे आप क्लिक करो तो उसमें ना आप होस्ट हो ना, तो आपको 5-6 ऑप्शंस आएंगे, उसमें मेक को होस्ट करके आएगा।
एक सेकंड में, हाँ मेक होस्ट आया उसको।
हाँ
डू यू
को
वांट टू
होस्ट
चेंज
आया
द,
ना।
डू यू वांट टू चेंज द होस्ट लिखा है, तो मैं आपका डाल दूं?
नहीं 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 सर, देखो दो ऑप्शंस आते हैं जिसका जूम अपडेटेड है ना। एक होस्ट रहता है जो कि आप रहोगे, और
ओके,
एक को होस्ट रहता है जो कि मैं रहूंगी। तो अब अगर आप में वो ऑप्शन आ रहा है तो आप मेरे को को होस्ट बना सकते हो, तो हम
नहीं
दोनों
आ रहा है
रिकॉर्डिंग
फिलहाल,
कर
तो
सकते हैं।
ऑप्शन नहीं आ
नहीं आ
रहा
रहा
है।
है ना सर, वही हाँ। तो फिर आप ही रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हो सर
ओके
फिर।
ओके, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग ट्राई करता हूँ वापस एक बार। मैंने,
हाँ,
हाँ, इधर अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस इट इज गोइंग ऑन, बट आई डोंट नो वेदर इट विल रिकॉर्ड और नॉट, ठीक है?
आपको प्रियंका मैम अपनी आईडी से लिंक करवाती
हाँ
है
जी,
क्या?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ, तो उनके इसमें आता है सर, वो को होस्ट बना सकते हैं। अभी कल भी डेमो लेक्चर था ना उनका,
जी,
तो उन्होंने अपने आईडी से भेजा था, तो उन्होंने जितने भी ब्रांच एडमिन्स थे ना उन सबको को होस्ट बनाया
बट
था।
आई थिंक फिर वो जो आप बोल रहे हो, इट मस्ट बी अ पेड वर्जन ऑफ इट, बिकॉज अनपेड में
हाँ
दिख
वो
नहीं रहा है
पेड
मुझे कहीं
वर्जन
पे
है
भी।
सर, एग्जैक्टली हाँ
मुझे वही
पेड
लग रहा है,
वर्जन है,
अनपेड वर्जन में नहीं दिख रहा है वो।
अनपेड में नहीं है सर।
ओके, ठीक है, मैंने
तो
इधर
फिर
स्टार्ट कर दिया है। आई थिंक यू आर शेयरिंग
हाँ,
स्क्रीन और रेड डॉट दिखेगा आपको भी वहाँ पे। तो होपफुली दिस
क्या
रिकॉर्डिंग इज हैपनिंग। एंड अगर मैं आपको मोर में दिखाऊं
रिकॉर्डिंग
तो मेरा
चालू हो गई सर?
पॉज रिकॉर्डिंग एंड स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है यहाँ पे सर, ठीक है?
हाँ
आई
हाँ
होप
ठीक
इट
है
इज
सर।
रिकॉर्डिंग देन। चलो ठीक है,
हाँ हाँ सर, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है सर।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
ओके
चलो
थैंक
लेट्स
यू।
बिगिन,
हाँ
वेलकम देयर। We go on to this chapter called The Thief Story. Okay, Ruskin Bond story, very nice person and very simple English. Nothing because he's from a foreign land. Don't think that he's written something very high tech. He's written absolutely simply. Okay, the story is about a boy who's a teenager of your age, and we are talking on the other end another character in the story called Anil. Okay, so starting with his narration, your I is supposed to be the boy of your age who's talking, and this is where he says, "I was still a thief when I met Anil." So this author, this narrator has met Anil that time. Okay, not the author, the narrator I'll call. And though only 15, I was experienced and fairly successful hand. Okay, he was just 15 years old, but he was a successful hand, which means story karne mein mahir tha. That is what it means. Okay, he was very successful hand in the sense he had an expertise of his own to actually rob. Anil was watching a wrestling match. So where Anil was standing and watching this match, that is where this narrator comes there. And when I approached him, he was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he took easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. So Anil was standing there and looking at a match, and he must have come and asked him something, or might be he patted his back. So this man looks at the back, and this is where this boy, this robber boy, is standing there. So he says he was 25 years of age. He was a tall man. That is Anil's description. Okay, Sudhanshu, बहुत नींद आ रही है तेरे को? आऊं क्या तेरे पास?
नो
हाँ, सोएगा ना तो मैं आ जाऊंगा नींद में. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow. Lean means thin. This word we did yesterday also in the poem. And he looked easygoing. Easygoing means he was casual. He didn't get scared like, who is this boy? Why is he coming near me and talking to me? Kind and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't much luck of late. Okay, I I was not very late to be near him that time, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Okay, he's not doubting me, he's accepting me, and he doesn't mind talking to me. So as a casual person, he just started talking to him through the narrative. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself. Okay, so the person I said means the narrator, that boy telling him that you look like a wrestler, you look strong built, and you look like a nice, good body kind of a person. Even though he was lame, okay, he was thin, but he was telling him this. A little flattery helps in making friends. Okay, now he's talking to a stranger. He's doing flattery. Flattery means मस्का मार रहा है उसको और उसको चढ़ाने के लिए बोला कि तेरा build अच्छा है, well built you look. Okay, so do you? He replied, which put me off. Which put me off means I was feeling ashamed what he's telling me. So that Anil is telling him, even you look very, very nice and strong. Don't think only I'm looking strong, also look strong. You're not bad enough. So this put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Okay, he was very thin that time. And this man is telling him, you have also got a good build for your age. Well, I said modestly. I do wrestle a bit. Yeah, I go for wrestling matches, he's telling him. That boy is telling this Anil, saying, yeah, I go for wrestling also. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. Okay? Vijal, I lied. Who's saying this?
The narrator.
The narrator. He's saying his name is Hari Singh, but he was lying. This was not his real name. So thereafter, you can call him Hari Singh or you can call him the narrator. The narrator is a better answer. Okay? Hari Singh is just, because he's a robber. He cannot tell his real name. Understand? So that is why he was under this. Yash Malankar, why are you attending this lecture? Yash? Priyanka, are you there?
Yes, sir, बोलिए ना.
ये यश मालनकर अपना आफ्टरनून बैच का इधर क्या कर रहा है? I mean स्टेशन ब्रांच का है वो.
ये फिर आज स्टेशन के आ गए.
ये आया, ये थोड़ा ढक्कन आती है हमारा. हाँ यश, सुनाई दे रहा ना तुझे? तेरा 3 बजे का लेक्चर है बच्चे. क्या कर रहे थे?
यस सर. सर आपका ही लिंक आया था. मेरे इधर आपका लिंक आया सर.
तो 2 बजे का नहीं आया, 3 बजे का आया. देख उसमें.
सर आपका दिख रहा है उधर.
हाँ टाइम देख उसमें.
उस पे टाइम देखो 3 PM लिखा है.
ये थोड़ा पीछे बैठता है तो उसका फॉल्ट नहीं है, मेरे को मालूम है बेचारे का. वो सुबह भी ऐसे ही पीछे ही आता है बेचारा. ठीक है, ओके प्रियंका, थैंक यू. प्रियंका और भी कोई आप देखो ना, वहाँ पे कोई दिख रहा है क्या ऐसा एंटी हमारा? तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ओके चलिए. ओके, so going further, Hari Singh I like. So he told his name is Hari Singh. I took a new name every month. Now why he's taking a new name every month? Because he's a robber. उसको असलियत नहीं बतानी है, अपना असली नाम नहीं बताना है. So he's lying to Anil here that he's Hari Singh. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employer. Okay. Now what does this mean? Suppose I'm a robber. I will come and talk to one of you. I will make you a friend. And I'll give such a kind of a reason where you decide that, okay, come and stay with me. So then you become my employer. Employer means a boss. And I come and stay in your house. I promise I will do your work at home. So if you are ready to take me at your home, then I'll come to your house, stay with you, and I will rob one day your money and I will run it. So this was his plan, and this is what he's trying to hint here. Okay, why is he changing names? He has given a reason that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. ना पुलिस को मेरा पता चलता था, ना मेरा bosses को मेरा real नाम पता होता था. So nobody could give his exact description that time. Okay. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers. Okay? Anil started, seeing where they were seeing that wrestling match. He started talking about the wrestlers, how they maintain their body, how they keep oiling and massaging their body always. So they started discussing something. Who were grunting, lifting, throwing each other about. And they were, picking up bodies and throwing the other one. So, see how oily his body is, how strong his muscles are. He went on discussing something about it. Grunting means angry voice. Okay, many people make angry voices, especially while picking up others. तो अपना दम लगाते हैं ना, उसको grunting बोलते हैं हम लोग. Lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. So after talking this extra about the wrestlers, Anil thought, he's finished his talk. He started going ahead. When he's going ahead, at that time, this boy is following him. Okay. When he followed him, saying, I followed casually. Casually means just like this. I just wanted to follow him and let's see his reaction now. Hello, again, he said, Are you are again meeting me? Are you following me? He understood it. I gave my most appealing smile. Okay, so that boy, the narrator, he gave an appealing smile. Appealing means which is fascinating, which is attractive. He had a very cute smile and he gave him a very cute smile and told him, I want to work for you. I said, but I can't pay you. Mihir, who said, but I can't pay you? Mihir, please answer me. Mihir,
Yes, sir.
who said this, but I can't pay you?
अनिल.
Achha, why did he say like this?
पैसा नहीं था उसके पास.
Achha, ठीक है. So, I thought that over a minute, and perhaps I had misjudged my man. I refers to our narrator here, the boy who's named as Hari Singh here. Okay, he thought this man must be having a lot of money, but that Anil didn't have money. So he's saying, why are you following me? So he said, I want to come and work for you at your place. I want some work actually. But Anil told him very clearly that he doesn't have money at all. Okay, because Anil said this, so that boy is thinking, I misjudged. मैंने उसके बारे में गलत सोचा. मुझे लगा बहुत अमीर आदमी है, मगर ये तो इसके पास पैसे ही नहीं है कुछ भी. Okay. The first page is getting over. Have you all followed until now? That I don't go ahead. Simply, किसी को कुछ पूछना है क्या? Diya, have you understood, Diya? Diya, I'm talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Have you followed everything? Okay.
Yes, sir.
सुमित को समझ में आया सब कुछ? अरे माइक अनम्यूट करके पड़ा.
यस सर.
हाँ, कितना मस्त स्माइल है. तू 2 दिन आया नहीं बीच में, तेरा धुलाई करने वाला मैं.
सर हर रोज प्रेजेंट था.
अच्छा, मैं चेक करता तेरा अटेंडेंस. रुक, ठीक है. So going ahead now. I asked is the narrator. The narrator saw that I asked him for work. He said, I can't pay you. So he started thinking, now next what I should tell him. So he's asking him, I asked, can you feed me at least? Khana dega khane ko? Can you cook? On this, Anil is asking him, can you cook? I can't cook. I lied again. Okay, who's lying? Kushi, can you tell me who's lying here now?
Narrator is lying.
Very good. Okay, if you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. See, might be Anil was not very good at cooking. So he thought, okay, if this boy wants to come and stay with me, khana I can provide him, but I do some kind of cooking which is simple. So he is asking him, can you cook at least? He said, yes, I can cook. He took me to his room over the Jamna Sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Obviously, छोटा सा खोली होएगा उसका. खोली means might be just a 1-room kitchen flat. So very small house. So he told him, okay, might be you can sleep here. And he showed him the place in the balcony. He said, outside in the balcony, you can go and lie down in the whole day. But the meal I cooked that night must have been a terrible one because Anil gave it a stray dog and told me to be off. Okay. That day, Anil in the night understood ये गधे को खाना बनाने को नहीं आता है. Why? Because he made such a hopeless food that Anil went out and gave it to the dog outside and told him, please get out now. Okay? Because you can't cook. There's no use keeping you. पूरा टाइम जलाएगा खाना, सड़ा हुआ खाना बनाएगा तो खाना क्या खाएगा हम लोग? So I cannot take the responsibility. Please go out from here. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way. And he wouldn't help laugh. Okay, and he just again started smiling and making cute faces and telling him, no, no, I don't want to go. So there, even though that Anil could not stop laughing, he started laughing, and he said, okay, continue staying. I'll only make food for both of us. Later, he patted me on the head. Okay, ऐसा उसके माथे पे मार के smile दिया and said, never mind. Yet teach me to cook. So that poor man said, okay, you stay here. I will make food for you also, but I will teach you cooking and you have to learn. He also taught me to write my name, and he said one day he would teach me to write the whole sentences and to add numbers. He taught him how to write his name. Okay, Hari Singh. उसको sign करने को सिखाया, उसका alphabet लिखने को सिखाया. And then he even promised him the day he had learned, he told him, don't worry, now I'll teach you numbers so that you can count, you can add, you can subtract. And I will teach you one day with the whole sentences so you can speak English also. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Okay. Uzair, have you heard this? Did you understand this line? The last two lines here?
No, sir. Network issue.
Acha, acha. ये ध्यान से सुनो, because I'm going to ask somebody for the meaning. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Okay, I want Tushar will explain me. Tushar Gurana, what do you mean by this line? These two lines. Who's saying this first thing? I knew that once I could write.
The narrator.
The narrator. He's saying once I knew I could write like an educated man, then there would be no limit to what I could achieve. क्या सोच रहा है तुम लोग को लग रहा है वो? What is this boy thinking then? Okay, anybody can answer. Let not only Tushar.
सर
Yeah, बोलो.
सर मैं बताऊँ क्या?
बता ना बच्चा.
सर ये नरेटर बोल रहा है कि अगर वो पढ़ा लिखा हो जाएगा ना तो वो सब पा सकता है.
क्या पा सकता है?
मतलब वो कुछ भी ऐसा बड़ा आदमी बन सकता है पढ़ लिख के.
वेरी गुड. वो तूने बराबर एक्सप्लेन किया. मगर वो क्या बन सकता है, क्या कर सकता है? अथर कैन यू आंसर?
सर मैं बोलूं क्या?
हाँ बोल.
वो बोल रहा है कि अगर पढ़ा ना तो और सबको ये करेगा,
क्या
सबसे चोरी कर पाएगा.
वेरी
मतलब
गुड. दैट इज द आंसर आई वांटेड. उसका दिमाग में वही चल रहा है, मैं आज पढ़ा लिखा बन जाऊंगा ना, मैं और बड़ी चोरी कर सकता. क्योंकि वो किसी का साइन कर सकता है, किसी का चेक पे लिख सकता है. एंड दैट इज हाउ ही इज गोइंग टू सी अ बैड मैन ऑलवेज रिमेन्स अ बैड मैन एंड ही इज गेटिंग अ चांस टू बिकम अ गुड मैन. बट उसका दिमाग में वही सब घपला चल रहा है अभी. ओके, दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो यू पीपल आर रियली hearing it carefully, which means very good. Okay, actually I'm checking whether I'm going very fast to work. I'm checking that also, because people will be seeing our recording later, they should be able to understand. Okay, it was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So what is this boy thinking now? Okay, chalo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to help him so that he helps me. I'm going to help him with this daily work. So that is why he's saying it was quite pleasant working for Anil. He was enjoying working and staying in Anil's house. पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है, but उसके दिमाग में उसको लिखने को सीखने मिल रहा है. So that is his idea now. I made the tea in the morning. So early morning tea is he has to get up and make, and then would take my time buying the day's supply. Then he has to go to the market and buy the vegetables, groceries and things like that. Usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. Okay, बहुत पुरानी story है. उस समय ₹1 बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी. And he's saying I used to, when I will go to buy, obviously I'll take money from him and go and buy. When I go and buy things, I purposely used to show him some different kinds of accounts. He will say, ये इतने रुपए का है, ये इतने रुपए का है, ये इतने रुपए का. and accordingly Anil used to believe. Okay, and Anil knew very well that he was at least earning 1 rupee a day from it. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. उसको बुरा नहीं लगता था. ठीक है ना, वो गरीब बच्चा है, 1 रुपया कमा रहा है, उसमें जाने दो. He left it go on. He didn't mind that so much. Okay. Anil made money by fits and starts. Okay. Now, fits and starts is a very, very important phrase, which I think they have explained in the textbook. Okay. You can see it here also. In short, irregular intervals. The meaning is given here. Okay. So, Anil was making money. How? Irregular intervals. Okay. Today he went to market. Today he made money out of it. He got 1 rupee. Now, after 3-4 days, he may go. Then he got money. Again, after 2 days, he went, he got money. So, at irregular intervals, there was no fixed salary or something that he was being paid with. He kept worrying about his next check. I'm sorry, I left a line. Anil made money by fits and starts. Anil was not getting regular money. Here we are talking about Anil actually. And I was earlier explaining about the narrator. The narrator also will get money only when Anil gets money. So Anil used to get money. Today he'll get the money, and tomorrow he may not have for next 2-3 days, or might be next 2-3 weeks also. He would borrow 1 week and lend the next. 1 week he used to borrow money from friends, and then next week he will not have his money. 3rd week he will get his money, he will give away his friends, and 4th week he may get money, he will use it for himself. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a cure way to make a living. Cure means strange. A strange way. Today he doesn't have money, then after 4 days he had money. After 10 days for 10 days he didn't have money. Again, after 10 days he used to have money. So very irregular. Why? Because we get to understand. He was a writer for a magazine. So magazines, 1 महीने में एक आता है कभी-कभी 1 महीने में 2 edition आ जाता है. So you may get extra money for writing extra articles or something. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to the publisher. So today he came back home and he said he has written 1 book for a publisher. So because it's a book's amount, he got a good amount of notes with him. Okay. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. What did he do? He kept the money below his pillow. So he tucked the money. Tuck means he fitted the money below his pillow and started sleeping over that. Okay. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, that 1 rupee that he was earning from him, apart from that, had not done anything in my line of work. He has not cheated him more than that. Only wherever possible, he was earning 1 rupee a day from him. That's all. He has not actually robbed this money. And now he has seen he has got such a big bundle of notes. Obviously, what thought will come to his mind? You can imagine. He wants to rob this money out of him. Okay. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could go home. I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Okay. So Aditya Naik, who's thinking all this? Aditya Naik, who's thinking all this?
Narrator.
आवाज आस्ते मत बोल, जोर से बोल. सीक्रेट थोड़ी इतना शेयर कर रहे तो हमारे साथ. जोर से बोल थोड़ा. आदित्य, जोर से बोल. Okay, Neil, can I have an answer from you?
सर नरेटर बोल रहा था.
Okay.
सोच रहा था वो.
Now I'm asking, my question is, what do you have to answer? Anil had given me a key to the door. I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Who's saying this?
ये नरेटर.
Narrator is saying this. And narrator is thinking what is his frame of mind? What is going on in his mind?
सर वो अनिल ने उसको घर की चाबी दी तो कभी भी आ जा सकता था वो, और वो सबसे भरोसा करता था.
Okay. अच्छा, ये आंसर सब करेक्ट है. मगर तेरे को लगता नहीं कोई हिंदी मीडियम से है? कोई हिंदी मीडियम से तेरे को लग नहीं रहा है?
लग रहा है.
लग रहा है ना? हाँ. So please answer me in English. I expect because you guys have got comprehension questions. They will use the word. What is this frame of mind? Now, how will you present the answer? You have to think about it. Okay. So people, please answer me in English as much as possible. मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में इसके लिए बात कर रहा हूँ जो लोग रिकॉर्डिंग सुनेंगे उनको थोड़ा स्टोरी समझ में आती रहे. ओके. मेरा फोकस दोनों पे चल रहा है इसके लिए. ओके. चलो लेट्स गो अहेड. So answer is correct, Neil, but please answer me in English as much as possible next time. Okay. And that is why it was so difficult to rob. Okay. Now comes my question for Akanksha. Akanksha, can you hear me, dear? Jaldi.
Yes, sir.
Akanksha. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. Who's saying this about whom?
Anil is saying to narrator.
No. It was so difficult to rob him. Who's going to rob whom?
Narrator.
Narrator is going to rob whom?
Anil.
Correct. Right. Now tell me the answer about one step ahead. Okay. Why was it so difficult to rob him? Why is the narrator saying it was difficult to rob him? Okay. Khushi Rajgor, can you try? Khushi, please try the answer.
Yes, sir.
हाँ yes sir ने आंसर चाहिए. Yes sir सुनने के लिए तो बात की तरह से. What is the answer there?
सर वो नरेटर है ना वो अनिल को रॉब करने
Khushi,
वाला था.
answer in English, bacha. Rules are all
The
same for all.
narrator is going to rob that Anil.
That is the answer of the previous question. My question right now is, why was it so difficult, he's saying? Why was it difficult to rob him? He's a robber, it's difficult. Why is he saying it's so difficult? You can just pick up the notes and run away.
Because Anil was trusting the narrator.
Okay. So, okay, Siddhant Bhosle, can I have the answer from you?
That
Siddhant
Sir,
Bhosle.
because Anil is trusting the narrator.
Okay. So what is the difficulty part? What will happen? Why is he saying it is difficult?
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, please tell me.
Because the narrator was a careless man.
Okay. But careless man, okay, that's what you said. It's not wrong, but it is not fully right also. Okay. Okay, anybody else can try the answer, please? Yes, Omkar, you want
Sir,
to say?
because Anil has taught him how to learn and write. That's why.
Very good. That is the answer. See why it is difficult? Because somewhere he knows this man has been good to him. And I think Khushi said because he trusted him so much. Now, if you are going to rob such a true person, then you're doing something wrong. You know, there is some pinch to your heart. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. When you know that man is dirty, he has always been taking others' money, मैंने इसका ले लिया तो क्या हो गया? This is how you convince yourself. Especially for a robber, it is very easy to convince himself. वो भी तो वही करता है ना जो मैं कर रहा हूँ. So he will easily rob a robber, but because he can afford to be robbed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Okay, this is where he was answering. I think somebody answered this. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he's been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Okay, जब एक ग्रीडी इंसान को हम चोरी करते हैं ना, उसका हम लोग को गिल्ट नहीं आता है. मगर एक सच्चा इंसान जो तुम पे विश्वास कर रहा है, जो तुमको लर्निंग राइटिंग सब कुछ सिखा रहा है, अपना घर पे रहने की जगह दे रहा है, तुम्हारे लिए खाना बना के तुमको खिला रहा है, and he knows that he is earning 1 rupee every day. After that also you have to rob this man. So that is where the conscience pricks. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself. Now he's a robber, so he's thinking, no, I think I should do some work. After seeing so many notes, he could not stop himself. I'm out of practice. And if I don't take this money, this man is anyways going to go to his friends and celebrate. So he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. तो मुझे उसके काम करने को कोई पगार थोड़ी दे रहा है. मैं तो इसको चीट करूंगा ही अभी. That is what he said. That's what he referred to. Anil was asleep and a beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. Okay, there is a beam of light coming. एक रे आ रहा है लाइट का, सीधा बालकनी में आ रहा है और उसके रूम में जा रहा है, वही रे ऑफ लाइट, मून लाइट का. तो रात का टाइम का बात हो रही है. And fell on the bed. I sat upon the floor considering the situation. Now he's thinking and calculating. How do I rob? When do I rob? What will happen if I rob and run away just now? So he's planning now. I sat upon the floor considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. So if I'm going to take this money right now and run to the station, I have got one Lucknow train coming up at 10:30. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Okay, he slipping out of the blanket, which means he's trying to take that money out of that blanket. I crept up to the bed. I kept that thing, slowly started pulling out and kept it to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Unlined means with no tension on the forehead. Unlined. इधर lines नहीं था. उसको कोई टेंशन नहीं था. उसके पास पैसे हैं फिर भी उसको टेंशन नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके पास पैसे नहीं होते थे तो भी टेंशन नहीं रहता था उसको. So his face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. He's saying, but I had face lines, but those are scar marks. कोई भी उसको चोरी करते हुए पकड़ा है तो किसी ने उसको मारा होएगा, पीटा होएगा, तो उसको lines था बहुत सारा face पे. But this man was so peacefully sleeping, even though he has got so much money today, but he didn't have the fear that he will lose this money, and he has one street-going boy outside coming and staying with him now. Okay? किसी को कुछ नहीं समझा क्या अभी तक? We have 2 minutes only. So please tell me if you have not followed anything. I can clarify right now. Okay. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. And when I found them, I drew them out without a sound. धीरे से वो notes बाहर निकाले. Anil slipped in his sleep and turned on his side. Suddenly he turned aside and his face started looking at him as if, his face was facing him. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Startled means shocked. I was totally scared because suddenly, that moment only he changed his side and his face was looking at him as if. So he got scared. But he took this money and crawled out of the room. Crawled means वो धीरे धीरे वहां से रूम पे स्लाइड करके बाहर आ गया. When I was on the road.
हेलो विकास सर, सुनो.
हाँ जी.
सर अब भी रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर दो.
क्यों?
क्योंकि ना अगर वो मीटिंग खुद ही एंड हो गई ना, रिकॉर्डिंग फिर चला जाता है.
Don't worry, I'll stop before that. Don't worry that.
हाँ.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. Okay, उसके पजामे का नाड़ा था ना, उसने उस पे बांध दिया. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50. 50 rupees का notes था, total 600 rupees. तो आज बैठ के calculate करना कितना notes था. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. Okay, एक अरब के जैसे अभी वो जी सकता. So here I'm stopping my recording and my lecture for the day.